Here's a quick overview of the Facebook Business Platforms menu. So you can pretty much see all the things that you could do in here. I will not click on them. I will just touch on them. And then you can sign up or log into your Facebook business and click on these tabs and then get to see exactly what we're seeing in more, talking about in more detail. So the business settings right here takes you to the pages that you manage and lets you change all the settings on there in the background. The next one is the campaign planner, which with the campaign planner, you get to plan campaigns for ads, for advertising, which can then be managed under the ads manager when you've added your budget, and you get to see the outcomes of your ads. So these sort of work hand in hand together. The next one's the commerce manager, which sort of shows your store, your shops, your assets, which is pretty much your catalog. So here you can add to your catalog, you can modify your catalog, you can add shops, create shops under the commerce manager and make some good money. The next one's account quality, which details your standing with Facebook. It shows things that might have been rejected in the past, things that they don't like that you've done, and your standing with Facebook. And the next one is analytics. With analytics, you get to see the numbers so that you can make inferred decisions, make wise decisions based on the numbers that you see. So that's the major shortcuts on over here. The next one is we'll talk about this main tab here, which is you can manage your business. Account quality we talked about here. The apps are the apps that you've integrated with your business platform, maybe for automation reasons or so that things can automatically post on your Facebook. These are the apps that it shows the apps that you can use here. Your billing shows your billing and how you're being charged, all that stuff. Your brand safety lets you control your brand, things that could be aligned with your brand, things that could be posted with your brand. It sort of lets you control how your brand is out there with advertising and all that. Your business settings is what we talked about, takes you to your settings for your page so you can make those major changes behind the scenes. The business suite takes you to your business suite. You get to see a good view of how your business is performing, and you could do a lot of things too. Maybe post on Instagram actually through your business suite here on a desktop platform. You can post to Facebook too, and do a lot more fun stuff. So yeah, you can actually post on desktop to Instagram through your business suite. The next one is the collaboration center. The collaboration center lets you collaborate with other platforms when it comes to advertising. So you just might not want to advertise on Facebook alone. You might want to collaborate with other platforms, and good enough, Facebook has that opportunity for you here. The events manager lets you control your events, manage your events, see, get a bird's eye view of your events. And then your media library, of course, shows all the media you have stored there that you can use. And your store locations is where you can add a store or add store details. If you have multiple locations, here's where you manage it. You can optimize your store presence on here, run ads. Pretty cool. Now the next sub-tab, which is advertise, has a couple more things under here, and it shows your ad account settings, your ad limits per page, your ads manager, audiences, automated rules, campaign planner again, and the creative hub. And these are all things that you could visit to see exactly how they work under your advertising platform. The next, which is analyze and report, shows your ads reporting, your overall analytics, which we talked about over there, the attribution, your audience insights, brand collabs manager, creative reporting, experiments, and traffic analysis report. And if you are well versed in analytics, these terms you should pretty much understand or have a good idea of what they do and be excited about them because they let you see a whole lot. Next is engage customers. Engage customers. Just lets you see your page posts, manage your page posts over there, and finally sell products and service with it, which is your commerce manager, which is also here. Again, you can go into your assets to add, remove things into your shop. modify your shop and make all those necessary changes. So here's the menu, just in a brief nutshell, so you can have an idea of what all these things do. Then you can just sign up, click them, and get to see how they actually perform and what benefit they might be for you and your business. Hope this helps. Take care.